Hello everyone! We came to the last section of this site. We are doing really great. I hope you got some rest, because now we will learn a couple of cool and exciting things. We are adding new contact section and footer. We are moving to index.html, where we are making new section with class contact. Inside that section, there is this title Contact Me and the contact form itself. We are adding tag h2 in which there is text Contact Me. Under it, there is a form. We are making a tag which we haven't used till now. That's tag form. Inside it, there is input with type text. Now we are making this first input in which you enter name. That's why its input is type text, because you write name in the form of a text. After that, we are adding name with value name. ID, name. Placeholder, your name. Okay, we see our first input. We need one more similar input for mail, so we're gonna copy this one by pressing Ctrl D. We are changing type in email, name in _reply to, ID in mail, and placeholder in your email. Okay, we have two inputs now. Now we need a space for writing a message, and that's text area tag. We can see what happens if we change value of rows. Okay, let's put it back to 5. We need to add this button also. We are adding an input that has a type submit, value submit, and class button. In CSS, we are going to select the section Contact and we are going to define it a background color. Width 100%. Text align center. Color is this really light blue color. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, padding 80 pixels, 0. Now we can select this title of section, contact h2. Padding top 50 pixels, padding bottom 35 pixels. Text transform uppercase, font size 45 pixels. Let's see, will this be a little too much? Maybe it won't. It's okay. Set the word spacing to 4 pixels and letter spacing to 2 pixels. Okay, we are stylizing a form now. Its max width is 1400 pixels and its margins are 0 auto. Great! Now we have some common styles which we need to apply on inputs and text area. So let's do it. Contact input, contact text area. Width is 100%. Margins are 15 pixels auto. Padding 9 pixels. Border radius. Let me see. Okay. Border radius 5 pixels. Font size 16 pixels. And background color is really light blue. Okay, let's take a look on our site now. We can see here that this text area can change its dimensions. That doesn't look really nice, so we'll turn off this option. Contact, text area, resize, none. Now we see that the dimensions of text area don't change, which is great. Now we want to define what happens when we click on some of those fields. For it, we'll use a new pseudo-class focus. Input, pseudo-class focus, comma, text area, pseudo-class focus. Background color is really dark blue. Let's find it and copy here. We see that the color of active field is changing. Now we'll change text color in really light blue. If we start writing now, we can see that the text has this light blue color. It is only left to stylize this button. We select it first. Form.button. Border radius is 10 pixels. Border is 2 pixels solid, really light blue. Font size is 20 pixels. Background color is transparent. Let's see what's left. Text color. Color, our really light blue color. Cursor, pointer. For the end, we define what's gonna happen on hover of this button. Form.button pseudo-class hover. It changes hover color to really light blue. Text color to sizing red. And one more thing, it sizes down a little on hover. Transform, scale, 0.95. Let's see. Okay, we need to add transition. We add it here. Transition, all 0.3 seconds, ease. Let's see. Our form looks really good now. Let's stylize the footer now. It is already added in HTML, so we are only going to stylize it in CSS. And before that, we are only going to delete this div because we don't need it in this case. Now we are moving to CSS and we are copying this comment for footer. Write footer. We select footer. It has text align center. Let's see. Okay. Padding 15 pixels. Background color is really dark blue. and its text color is really light blue. By doing this, we have finished the look of desktop version of this site. We can see how it looks like. However, we have a contact form that is not functional. Users can't use it to send you a message. To create a functional contact form, PHP is usually used, but that is not the subject of this course. That's why we have found the easier way to do that. Open your browser and type FormSpark. Go to the first link and click Try it now. FormSpark is a service which allows us to receive mails for free. Write down your email and click Send link. Okay, I will pause my video so I could confirm email. After we have confirmed email, we get a window like this. We click on Create First Form. Name can be anything you want. I will write 7 to Heaven form. In description, I will write Form for 7 to Heaven Udemy course. Then you click Create. Now we have a form and everything we need to do is to copy this part of first line of this code. We move to HTML and paste here our copied code. Okay, if we go to contact form now and try to send some email with dummy data and we click Submit, we can see the message Your form has been submitted. Go back to our website. Okay, this is our site. Let's check out now if we got the mail we have sent to ourselves. Go to Submissions and we see here is a message from Peter Peterson. Let's try it. And that's it. Our contact form is working. With this, we have finally finished desktop version of our site. In next lesson, we will learn how to adapt this site to different mobile devices. See you!